Hi there, how are you doing? Good, I hope. Well, I'll just show you what I did with that last spread. I just put on the bottom, I put some washi tape, which is the sort of map washi tape down here, and I put "The world feels dangerous today" and the date, because it does. Well, it did, and it still does. Now, for this spread, like I did yesterday, I left those words in. We felt a dreadful danger and a terrible risk. And I've got quite a simple idea for this spread. I'm going to put a bit of colour on, and I'm going to do something. So without too much chit chat, I'm just going to get on with it. So it's all dried now, and I've started to write a few words that says, "How we feel depends on how we frame things." So now the idea is that I'm going to have words here, and then I'll flip them up, and there'll be words underneath. So this one is So here it is, the finished spread. How we feel depends on how we frame things. So we can all choose how we look at the world. And so what if we turned danger into challenge, anxiety into action, and fear into love? I could have put trust there, but I thought no, love, because we need to love ourselves really, and people around us. We just need to be constantly thinking about being in that love space rather than that fear space. And if we can do that, we'll make good decisions, and it'll just be easier. Something that I've learnt myself through doing it the hard way. But I found this to be true. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little page. And tomorrow, ooh, I've got some blobs. Oh well. I was thinking, initial thoughts for this page is that I won't gesso it. I'll just go straight in and see what that does to this paper. And we'll have another spread tomorrow. So meanwhile, be well, be love. See you again. Bye.